Say hello.
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 Hello. I also say hello. We are here. I have to do some stuff. Some lamps and some LEDs and some lights. And I will put now the first one to see if it's work and how's the light. Okay? So, if you see, they are the old lights. You see this one? It's not working actually, it's broken. And I will change them with this one. Okay. I have one here. One here. I think this is LED, I don't know exactly. And this one I took it out because this was already also broken. This one will be the first one I want. So, this is the new light. It's LED. And actually the installation is very easy. Black go to black, red go to red. So,
Session.
much stronger than the older one. Fix. I will also change those lights. We have 4 here, 1 in the front cabin and 2 in the back cabins. Okay? So, as cabin light, I ordered this one. This is from Amazon actually. They are not so expensive. And they look very nice. But they come usually without the plaque. That's why I have to mount some plaques. Okay, we have here a black wire and a white wire. The black is usually the power or the plus. So, let's see. Red go, black go to red. Let's go. So, inside. Put the whole wire inside. Then, so geht's auch. So let's see.
Wow.
Much better.
Session. Time.
And from this we have 4 here, 2 in the back cabins and 1 in the front cabin. Thank you. Yes. So now we check the difference of the light. Okay. I mean, with the camera, I don't know if you really see how dark or how's the brightness of this lamp. So the new one is inside, much brighter. So the lights are on. The only one is this one. I have to open it again because it's not really, if you see there's a small gap, because behind this there are some wires. And here, and this cabin, perfect. I don't know if you can see. Okay. So, okay. The lights there are perfetto. Perfetto. They are also inside. I have in total 3. And this one here is also in place. They look also very nice. They don't have any frame or something like that, just simple light. Cheap. I will link the product from Amazon. It was very cheap. I will link it in this video, and yeah, good.